this one's wrapped. Interesting. It's like Christmas, but better. You don't have to go to church. Okay. Yep. They're still pretty heavy, but still. Oh man, I should have got paint so I could paint these. I don't think I have any paint that would work for these. Plus, I don't feel like doing the prepping. You know, it's whatever. Calipers are going to do what calipers are going to do, so. Yeah. Time to see if this fits. I mean, I already know it's going to fit, but it's funny how, like, the longest part of this installation is getting those calipers off and getting those brake pads out. Now normally you're supposed to wash these, but they don't look like they have any grease on them. So I think they're okay. Yep, they'll be okay. Oops, shit. Okay. Now, let's check these. They should fit no problem. Alright. I'll finish this off with nice. It's gonna get tight. Okay. All right. It is now 8:30, but we've made progress, and I believe we can have this wheel on by 9 o'clock. I'm almost done with this side, so I'll show you guys what we have. Brand new 2005 Toyota Tundra brake rotor, much thicker up top, and a brand new remanufactured Toyota Tundra 2005 brake caliper, much bigger. Man, that looks good. Up front as well. No pads in yet, but I'm going to put those in right now. Just torqued down the caliper. Oh my god, this thing just looks amazing. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this thing performs after I bleed the system. Should help with these great big general grabbers. I think after these tires are done, I'm going to invest in some bigger rims, maybe some 17s, because these are 16s. I think we'll get some 17s, and then I'll probably go with another pair of Generals, or we'll see, maybe Firestone. I don't know yet. Or Falcon. Maybe I might get some Falcons. That'd be pretty sweet. But they gotta go good on the highway because this thing is a daily driver. But, you know, this is what we have right now. Let's put some brake pads in. So the calipers came with some pins and a spring, sort of like what we had on the other system. I bought a shim kit, and then I bought some genuine OEM Lexus Toyota brake pads, because I'm sick and tired of cheap brake pads. Oh yeah. Check that out. That's what you call surface area. Heck yeah. Get a couple of those bad layers out. See what the instructions say. Jeez. Oh, they're all just different languages. Okay, that makes sense. Good lord. All this for brake pads? Really? But where's the English? Eh. These are kind of neat. Nice and shiny. Okay, so I only have so much of this stuff. What's the worst gonna happen? So 2 of these, and 2 of these are going on the other side, so we'll put these aside. Yeah, that makes sense. So the slotted part goes on the inside. So you got 2 just like that. And then got your inner pad right here with the friction material. And then this just goes around the back like that. Okay, you guys know how to put brake pads together. This isn't easy. But let's get the grease out. And we'll put this side together and clean up for the night, and I'll just do the other side tomorrow and do a time lapse. Where did I put that grease? The frig. Oh, it's so satisfying when you perfectly nail a corner of a packet. Sweet. So take this grease and just kind of give her a little bit. I'm starting to get eaten by mosquitoes, so you know. Oops, don't want to go too far. Just like that. The second one. Okay. Get in there. Come on. There. She's wicked tight, but it sends. And then little taps. With my nylon faced hammer, get her nice and aligned. These ones are wicked loose, but that's okay. Alright. I think I just sent it in my last brake installation without this cotter pin to go on the end of the backing pins. Because both of my backing pins didn't have cotter pins on them. So that's nice. Geez, do I get a freaking anti-rattle or not? Or do I have to use the old one? What the frig? I don't want to use the old one. The old one's freaking trash. Hold on, I'm definitely doing this wrong. Oh, it uses an anti-squeal spring. Interesting. I'm gonna put some bug spray on, because this is good stuff. Come on out of there. Alright. Let's have the 4Runner with you. Alright. I'm gonna have to see how the spring goes on. Because I've only had the plate kind, these kinds. I've never had the spring kind. So let's see if we can figure out how those go on. Okay, I found it. Let's see if we can get it on. It is getting kind of dark, so after I get this spring on, I'm probably going to put the wheel back on, and then we'll do the other side tomorrow, and I'll time lapse that. So the spring goes on like this, and then you stick it in, I think. That doesn't look right. Yeah. So, according to that picture right there, that is how the anti-rattle spring is supposed to go. Perfect. Alright. Let's put the cotter pins in and we'll be done for the night. If I can find them. Oh, they're right there. Duh. Now hopefully these pins don't just completely rust over on me and then make it a total pain in the ass to get out. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. It is what it is. They're brakes. They get replaced and serviced. It's the life of owning a used vehicle, I guess. But, on the flip side, you get to modify them as you see fit after people have done cool stuff to them. Retrospect, I totally should have taken the brake line off first and then undid the calipers, because that would have been a whole lot easier. Okay. Just to make sure that's not going to come off. Take a look at that. Brand new pads, rotors, and calipers. Big boys.